So you also mentioned running, right? You run a lot?
I do. It's my creative outlet where it's the only thing I do. Well, one of a few things where like I literally can't have a computer screen open in front of me. And as often as I have a computer screen open in front of me, like I need to carve out some time at least 3 or 4 times a week where I am listening to music and I'm disconnected and I'm in nature. And I still think about work, which is different than actually being in front of a computer, but it kind of helps me sort of do that curiosity thing and explore and think about new ways to do things.
Interesting. I can totally relate to it because I do that with cycling. I just cycle for 3-4 times a week, and just like you said, music on, and try not to think about work, but then your mind goes back to work. But I think it's something that it's extremely necessary for entrepreneurs, creative people to be able to do that.